Greetings YouTube, this is Got Her Did, and I'm about to get her done. Today, I'm going to show you how to pull down or disassemble ammo without the need to go out and buy a bullet puller. Rifle bullet, pretty easy. Run her up to the top, grab her with your pliers, pull her down. But what about a pistol bullet? It's not long enough to go through the top. So, for that, I need my custom-made pistol bullet pulling adapter. 10 cents worth of PVC that will fit over my ram. Same principle. Now it's a little bit easier if you use a side cutter because it'll bite in. But this is an extra pliers that lives on my bench, so I go ahead and use that. Got to use quite a bit of squeezing force on it. Side cutter much easier. If you're pulling jacketed bullets and want to try and save them, you can put a little bit of leather from an old belt or boot against the jaws to protect it from getting marred up. With lead bullets, I don't bother because I'm putting so much squeezing force on them, they're going to be deformed anyway. And that's it. We got her dead. Thank you for watching.